Imagine two fathers, same island, same years on Earth, yet one leaves his kids a golden legacy, the other leaves a pile of bills. What separated them was not income, but a few pages of understanding. Picture your bank account 5 years from today. Will it feel like a garden that feeds you, or a leaking bucket you keep refilling? First, schools praise correct answers, but life rewards the questions no one else asks. Robert Kiyosaki had two dads, a scholar with a PhD, and a street-smart entrepreneur with no diploma. Both loved him, both earned well, yet one died broke, the other as Hawaii's richest. An asset is a seed that drops coins into your pocket while you nap. A liability is a hole that quietly siphons those coins away. Your house, your car, even that latest phone are liabilities in disguise because each month they whisper, "Feed me." Most people spend 40 hours a week hunting income, then wonder why wealth still hides. The rich spend those hours setting up tiny money employees. Fear keeps the middle class chained to overtime. Fear of unpaid bills. Fear of losing the little they have. When a poor earner makes 100 grand, 30 of it vanishes before he even smells it. When a rich earner makes the same, he uses every legal page of the code and pays only on what remains. Knowledge of the code is the new moat around the castle. Doubt is the silent tax we charge ourselves, while opportunity waits outside the door. So plant your money seeds today, water them with patience. One day you will sit beneath the shade of those trees, and the fruit will taste like freedom.